I am pleased that the state of Brandenburg is a partner of the German Spring in Estonia this year. We are delighted to use this unique opportunity to showcase our beautiful state, its people, culture, economy and science in Estonia. Brandenburg is an innovative part of Germany and Europe. We are creating an attractive display in Estonia so that as many people as possible will be inspired to find out more about Brandenburg and visit us. One of our most popular representatives will be the German film orchestra Babelsberg. It will perform at the opening of the German Spring in Tallinn on the 9th of April. The following day, it will build a musical bridge in Tartu, the 2024 European Capital of Culture. This will be Brandenburg's contribution to ensuring that the German Spring is a true celebration of friendship. Can there be anything better and more important in these times of warlike violence in the world than encounters across national borders? Especially for schools, universities and cultural institutions? Hardly. In this sense, the German Spring brings us closer together and deepens relations and cooperations between Estonia and Brandenburg. Getting to know each other made easy.